Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the car and I'm on my way to take a look at some classic sports cars and some vintage cars as well. It's kind of like a car meet, and it's blizzard conditions outside my house now, as you can see. If I drop the window, well, my window won't drop because it's frozen solid. But let's try that one. No, that one's frozen as well. But anyway, outside, that's what it's like. So it's a good thing that this meet is inside. So wish me luck, because I'm not even sure I'm going to make it there. But if I do, the next clip you'll be looking at will be some nice supercars and vintage cars, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Or me in hospital. Right, so we made it, just about. So yeah, I don't know if you can see out here, we are at Von Braun, and there's a sports car hall there, and there's the garages there. So now I'm going to try and find somewhere to park, get the camera out, and start taking some pictures of some cars. Now, the first car we're looking at today is a Ferrari 355 F1 Spyder from the year 2000. And if we look at the little note at the front there, it says congratulations to Michael M. So if you're Michael M, congratulations, you got one of the most iconic Ferraris in the world. Right, the second car we're looking at is a Ferrari California T. Now, the T stands for turbo, and it's a V8, 3.9 litre. You get about 552 to 557 brake horsepower. Really nice car. Personally, one of my favourite Ferraris. Been out on this one on the track in the Helsingborg region of Sweden back in the day. I have no problem with the engine being up front. And next in line we have a couple of naturally aspirated V10s, which are good through to around 550 brake horsepower. 0 to 60 in around 3.8 seconds. We all know this engine. You find it in the Audis R8s, and you find it in the Lamborghini Gallardos and the Hurricanes. Loads and loads of torque from that 5.2 litre. Now, who could go wrong with a couple of Aston Martins? And the Rapide is the four-seater. We don't see many of them in Sweden. Well, this is the first one I've actually ever seen in Sweden. And it's got that V12 5.9 litre engine. Right, that's for the family. And a cab for the weekend. And how about a Mercedes-Benz GTS AMG with the famous bi-turbo V8. If you've got around £1 million burning in your back pocket, yeah, you can get this 4 litre with 510 brake horsepower and a 0 to 60 time in 3.8 seconds. Now, we featured one of these on the channel before, but it was a GTR, and we took that one round Mantle Park, so lots and lots of fun. But that one had 1,000 brake horsepower. This one's got half of that, but still efficient. So, if you're looking for the perfect track day car, how about an Ultima Can-Am? What do you get for your money when you buy an Ultima Can-Am? Well, you get a V8, which is straight out of the Corvette. It's the LS7, all 7 litres of it, and that's good for around 714 brake horsepower. Now, this thing can't weigh more than a ton, so imagine all that power on the track. Yeah, if you've got 825,000 crowns burning in your back pocket, then the ultimate track car is right here at Von Braun. And here we have a Porsche 718. It's a Spyder edition, so it's a cab. It's got a 4 litre 6-cylinder engine and good to 100 in 4.4 seconds.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.